How to build a career in risk management with PMI RMP certification. The role of risk managers has evolved into a cornerstone of modern business strategy, making it a highly sought-after and rewarding career path. One of the key milestones on the journey to becoming a proficient risk management professional is obtaining the PMI RMP, Project Management Institute Risk Management Professional, certification. Introduction to PMI RMP certification. PMI RMP, Project Management Institute Risk Management Professional, certification is a prestigious credential recognized globally for its emphasis on risk management within the context of project management. This certification is designed for professionals who are involved in identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks to ensure successful project outcomes. Eligibility and exam requirements. Educational requirements. A high school diploma or global equivalent. 4 years, or 4,500 hours, of project risk management experience within the last 5 years. A bachelor's degree or higher. A 4-year degree, or global equivalent. 3 years, or 3,000 hours, of project risk management experience within the last 5 years. Preparing for the PMI RMP exam. Understand the exam outline. Familiarize yourself with what the exam covers by reviewing the PMI RMP exam content outline. Use official resources. Utilize PMI's official resources, like the PMI RMP handbook and content outline. Create a study plan. Develop a study schedule that outlines what to study each day or week. Join a study group. Consider joining a study group or forum to discuss concepts and share resources. Benefits of PMI RMP certification. Expertise. Demonstrates your expertise in risk management. Global recognition. Respected worldwide by employers and peers. Career advancement. Opens doors to higher paying roles. Career opportunities in risk management. Risk analysts and managers play pivotal roles in identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks that organizations face, be they financial, operational, or strategic in nature. These professionals employ quantitative and qualitative methodologies to provide critical insights that enable companies to make informed decisions and protect their interests. Gaining practical experience. Entry-level positions, internships, and volunteer opportunities provide invaluable exposure to real-world risk scenarios, allowing individuals to apply theoretical knowledge in practical contexts. These hands-on roles often involve tasks such as risk assessment, mitigation strategy development, and collaboration with cross-functional teams to address organizational vulnerabilities. Continuous learning and professional development. Adapting to change. Continuous learning helps professionals stay updated with evolving industry trends, technologies, and best practices. Skill enhancement. It allows individuals to enhance their skills, whether in risk assessment, data analysis, or decision-making. Career advancement. Continuous learning and professional development can open up new career opportunities and make you a more attractive candidate for promotions and leadership roles. Networking and building professional relationships. Networking and cultivating professional relationships are cornerstone practices for success in risk management. Networking offers a platform to share insights, learn from others' experiences, and stay updated on the latest risk management trends and strategies. Career advancement with PMI RMP. PMI RMP certification serves as a powerful catalyst for career advancement in the realm of risk management. It goes beyond just validating your skills. It showcases your specialized expertise in identifying, assessing, and mitigating risks, making you a sought-after professional in industries spanning from finance to healthcare and beyond. Conclusion. This certification not only validates your expertise in risk management but also opens doors to a wide range of career opportunities across diverse industries. Once you've earned your PMI RMP certification, you become a sought-after professional equipped with the skills to identify, assess, and mitigate risks effectively. This credential can lead to career advancement, increased earning potential, and a deeper understanding of risk management principles.